In this lecture, we're going to look at a tool, Offset Entities. So let's create a sketch on the front plane. Let's start with a line. And let's start here. And now let's create another line on this side. Like this. Let's go with center point arc. Let's make center point at the origin. Let's go to this point. Let's create this center point arc like this. Now let's move this point at the end of the center point arc like this. And now we have this sketch. Now we want to create the same sketch but with the offset, for example, 10 millimeters along y-axis, up or down. And for that, we can use offset entities. So you don't have to go manual here, for example, like this line. Now we have to create another center point arc here and then another line here. So we can just go here to offset entities, and now we have to choose our sketch. Let's choose this line, and here we can see the preview. So we have the offset distance 10 millimeters. So 10 millimeters is from this line to this line. If we want to change direction, we can choose here reverse, and now we have this sketch. Let's click OK. And this is our result. Here we have the offset 10 millimeters. Now let's delete this sketch that we have created, this one. And let's go again to offset entities. Here we have a checked select chain. That means when we select this line, that all lines that are connected will be selected. If we don't want this, we can unselect this. And now only we can see the preview of the line that we have selected. If we want to select this, then only the preview of this will be shown. If we go with select chain, then the whole sketch will be shown here. So with reverse, we can change the side, but as well we can go to both sides by checking by directional, like this. And now we have a sketch up and down 10 millimeters. We can increase the offset entities if we want, like this. Let's uncheck bidirectional. So here we have a cap ends. So we can close those ends here. Let's check this. And now we can see the preview. And we have an arc here. We can choose that to line. For example, like this. And now we got this sketch. Something like this. Let's go back. Let's go to offset entities again. Now let's choose this line again. Let's uncheck the cap. And let's go here to construction geometry. So now as we see, we have a full line. If we want to make a construction line of our offset entities, then we can check here offset geometry. And now we have here construction line. If we want to make construction line, this sketch, the base sketch, then we can go with base geometry. Let's click OK. And now we have a construction line here and here. So this is how you can use offset entities tool. Offset entities tool can save you a lot of time when you're creating a sketch.